Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Telluride with its key fob. First, find the remote start button, which looks like a circular arrow. Make sure your Telluride is locked. If it's not, the remote start won't activate. You'll need to be within a reasonable distance, typically around 50 to 100 feet, for the signal to reach your vehicle. This simple process gets your car ready before you even step inside. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob one time. This confirms your vehicle is secure. Next, press and hold the remote start button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash, indicating the command was received, and then the engine will start. Your Telluride will run for approximately 10 minutes before automatically shutting off, giving you plenty of time. If your remote start isn't working, first check your key fob battery. A low battery can prevent the signal from reaching your car. Also, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed. The system is designed not to start if any of these are open for safety reasons. Finally, ensure your Telluride is in park. It won't start in any other gear. Did you know remote start can also activate your last used climate control settings? This means your Telluride will be the perfect temperature when you get in. If you need more time, simply press the remote start button again to extend the run time for another 10 minutes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.